Google is back in the game with its all-new Robocat, which is the finest innovation given by the company so far. That's right. Google has taken a revolutionary step ahead by unveiling Robocat, a state-of-the-art AI model that has won praise for being the world's most advanced self-learning artificial intelligence to date. So, what is Google's move that is being hailed as a world first? In today's video, let's dig deeper into why everyone in the tech world seems to be startled by Google, and how could Robocat transform the world that we live in? Here's what you need to know. Robocat was built on the foundation of DeepMind's generalist artificial intelligence, Gato. It combines the capabilities of its predecessor with groundbreaking breakthroughs in transformers and reinforcement learning. In the fields of robotics and artificial intelligence, Robocat establishes new standards by capitalizing on the synergy created by the combination of these two technologies. At its foundation, Robocat is built on Gato's extraordinary capacity to process words, visuals, and actions across both simulated and real-world contexts. This multimodal basis then serves as the underpinning for Robocat's groundbreaking capabilities, which allow it to adapt, learn, and succeed in a plethora of real-world jobs with unprecedented versatility. Of course, robots have, in the past, typically been pre-programmed for particular jobs and restricted to working within certain parameters. Robocat, on the other hand, signifies a shift in paradigm since it demonstrates that robots are capable of not just carrying out a variety of activities, but also learning, adapting, and improving themselves from a wide variety of data sources. Additionally, Robocat is able to comprehend and master new jobs through a learning process that is exceptionally effective, which is the key to this groundbreaking accomplishment. Meanwhile, Robocat is able to comprehend and learn a new activity with as few as 100 demos, which is one of the characteristics that sets it apart from other robots. To top it all, though, Robocat's ability to constantly better itself is what separates it from other robots of its day and serves as the engine behind its formidable capabilities. The Voyage starts with an initial training phase, during which a large data set of images and actions from a variety of robotic arms carrying out a variety of jobs is used. Yet, the self-improvement training cycle of Robocat is where the real marvel of this machine lies. Robocat is able to gather new task demos and effectively increase its repertoire thanks to the use of a robotic arm that is controlled by a human. After that, it adjusts its learning process for each new task, which results in the creation of specialized agents that go through an average of 10,000 practice runs in order to amass a plethora of new training data. This data is integrated without any hiccups into Robocat's already existing training data set, which expands Robocat's capabilities and enables exponential growth in both its comprehension of and performance on a wide variety of jobs. And yes, the innovation achieved by Robocat has extremely far-reaching ramifications. For one, it is possible to make tremendous strides forward in the fields of automation, manufacturing, and a variety of other fields by giving robots the ability to learn, adapt, and develop. Given that, Robocat opens the path for a future in which robots may easily switch between tasks, improve their own performance, and work more successfully in tandem with humans than ever before. The revolutionary artificial intelligence model developed by Google further goes through a never-ending process of self-improvement, evolving from a beginner to an expert in the field of robotics, where Robocat is able to achieve amazing levels of performance and adaptability thanks to its 5-step training procedure, which holds the secrets of the system's success. Not to forget, Robocat has a voracious desire for knowledge, and as a result, it has embraced an immensely broad and comprehensive collection. According to various verified reports, Robocat is given a beguiling mosaic of tasks and obstacles as it interacts with a variety of robotic arms and delves further into data based on vision. As a result, the findings are absolutely mind-blowing. For example, Robocat quickly picks up how to handle a variety of robotic arms and tackle a wide range of jobs in just a few short hours. And it is astounding how far beyond the area of straightforwardness its capacity for learning reaches. For instance, after only seeing 1,000 different demos, Robocat can confidently direct a sophisticated robotic arm that has a 3-finger gripper and twice as many programmable inputs as it did before. It then smoothly shifts gears, demonstrating both its dexterity and its precision, and its success rate of 86% is rather excellent. But that's not the end of Robocat's amazing genius. Robocat's abilities shine through regardless of the task at hand, be it solving a shake-matching puzzle or choosing the best fruit from a dish of options. Its capacity to learn and improve is analogous to that of a person. As it progresses further into the world of robotics, it will gradually broaden both its set of abilities and its knowledge base. Of course, one can't help but be impressed by the way the training procedure for Robocat continually reinforces itself. The more challenges it successfully completes, the greater its potential for learning new challenges will become. Robocat's never-ending capacity for improvement, comparable to that of a virtuoso musician who perfects their art through years of practice, exemplifies the enormous potential of its instructional methodology. Meanwhile, the constant effort that has been put into bettering Robocat can be seen in how it has developed over time. After gleaning information from 500 different demonstrations of each activity, the original version obtained a success rate of 36% when applied to tasks that it had never seen before. But the most recent version, which has been molded by a greater variety of activities, confounds expectations. The success rate on the same tasks is more than doubled, which demonstrates the amazing progress that Robocat has made during its 5-step training procedure. And while that is a 5-step procedure, subscribing to our channel is only a single-step, very simple procedure, so why not do that quickly? That said, Robocat reveals, one step at a time, the mechanisms behind its change, where step 1 entails the collecting of between 100 and 1,000 demonstrations of a new task, each of which was expertly carried out by a robotic arm under human supervision. Meanwhile, the second part of the process involves Robocat honing its abilities and developing a specialized agency uniquely suited to the current endeavor. Moving further, step 3 is right around the corner, and in preparation for it, the specialist agent is about to begin a rigorous practice session in which it will hone its abilities by performing an astounding 10,000 repetitions of the new duty. This way, Robocat satisfies its unquenchable thirst for information by producing a veritable treasury of important training data with each subsequent iteration of the task. This knowledge is seamlessly combined, producing a powerful synergy that propels Robocat to new heights of adaptation and performance. Then comes the final and 5th stage, where a modernized version of Robocat is produced by being trained on this improved and expanded training dataset. In this step, Robocat advances with each successive iteration, outperforming its earlier versions of itself and achieving previously unreachable levels of potential. A demonstration of its amazing flexibility is the ease with which it can switch between various robotic devices. This skill quickly becomes second nature to it. So, in all its essence, Robocat stands out as far superior to its predecessors as possible. Its innovative combination of visual goal conditioning, in which it learns from visual signals in order to complete tasks, elevates it to an entirely new level of intelligence. And let's not forget about self-improvement, which is the key ingredient that propels Robocat to heights that have never been seen before. Robocat improves its knowledge and capabilities with each new iteration of the program. It's like watching a superhero transform right in front of your eyes, always pushing the limits of what was once thought to be possible. But why should we stop there? The first version of Robocat is just the beginning. Gato, developed by DeepMind, has a generous policy for multi-embodiment and multimodal multitasking, which gives it a tremendous amount of potential for a wide variety of applications. This innovative technology will, in the future, have an effect that is not limited to the field of robotics, but will be expected to have far-reaching repercussions. Robocat is at the forefront of ushering in a future that is filled to the brim with unfathomable opportunities, and it's time we believe that. So, is Robocat something you'll be investing your time in? Let us know in the comments below while making sure you subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you soon.